आसमान साफ है. The sky is clear. The sky is clear. बारिश हो सकती है. It may rain. It may rain. बाहर बहुत ठंड है. It's very cold outside. It's very cold outside. मौसम अच्छा लग रहा है. The weather feels nice. The weather feels nice. आज बहुत गर्मी है. It's very hot. It's very hot. काफ़ी उमस है. It's very humid. It's very humid. बादल छाए हुए हैं. It's cloudy. It's cloudy. ठंडी हवा चल रही है. A cool breeze is blowing. A cool breeze is blowing. धूप तेज है. The sun is very strong. The sun is very strong. मौसम अचानक बदल गया. The weather changed suddenly. The weather changed suddenly. मौसम सुहावना है. The weather is pleasant. The weather is pleasant. मौसम पूरी तरह बदल गया है. The weather has completely changed. The weather has completely changed. हल्की बारिश हो रही है. It's drizzling. It's drizzling. बाहर निकलना मुश्किल है. It's hard to go out. It's hard to go out. मौसम खराब है. The weather is bad. The weather is bad. गर्मी सहन नहीं हो रही. The heat is unbearable. The heat is unbearable. बारिश रुकने का नाम नहीं ले रही. The rain is not stopping. The rain is not stopping. मौसम देखकर कपड़े पहनो. Dress according to the weather. Dress according to the weather. हवा बहुत तेज चल रही है. It's very windy. It's very windy. बहुत ठंड लग रही है. It feels very cold. It feels very cold. मौसम ने मूड खराब कर दिया. The weather spoiled my mood. The weather spoiled my mood. बारिश की वजह से देर हो गई. I got late because of the rain. I got late because of the rain. ठंड की वजह से बाहर नहीं गए. We did not go out because of the cold. We did not go out because of the cold. छाता लेना मत भूलना. Don't forget to take an umbrella. Don't forget to take an umbrella. मौसम बाहर जाने लायक नहीं है. The weather is not suitable to go out. The weather is not suitable to go out. धूप में मत निकलो. Don't go out in the sun. Don't go out in the sun. बारिश अचानक शुरू हो गई. It started raining suddenly. It started raining suddenly. मौसम थोड़ा अजीब लग रहा है. The weather feels a bit strange. The weather feels a bit strange. गर्मी पहले से ज़्यादा है. It's hotter than usual. It's hotter than usual. ठंड पहले से कम है. It's less cold than before. It's less cold than before. मौसम बहुत भारी लग रहा है. The weather feels heavy. The weather feels heavy. बारिश ने सारा प्लान बिगाड़ दिया. The rain ruined all the plans. The rain ruined all the plans. धूप निकल आई है. The sun has come out. The sun has come out. मौसम काफ़ी बेहतर हो गया है. The weather has improved a lot. The weather has improved a lot. ठंड की वजह से आलस आ रहा है. The cold is making me lazy. The cold is making me lazy. गर्मी से सिर दर्द हो रहा है. I have a headache because of the heat. I have a headache because of the heat. बारिश की खुशबू आ रही है. I can smell the rain. I can smell the rain. मौसम ने दिल खुश कर दिया. The weather made me happy. The weather made me happy. मौसम थोड़ा आरामदायक है. The weather feels comfortable. The weather feels comfortable. मौसम पूरे दिन खराब रहा. The weather stayed bad all day. The weather stayed bad all day. बारिश फिर से शुरू हो गई. It started raining again. It started raining again. हम मौसम देखकर बाहर निकले. We went out according to the weather. We went out according to the weather. मौसम बदलते ही मेरा तबीयत खराब हो जाता है. My health gets affected when the weather changes. My health gets affected when the weather changes. मौसम बाहर घूमने के लिए अच्छा है. The weather is good for going out. The weather is good for going out. अचानक ठंडी हवा चलने लगी. A cold wind started blowing suddenly. A cold wind started blowing suddenly. मौसम थोड़ा सुस्त-सा लग रहा है. The weather feels dull. The weather feels dull. मौसम बिल्कुल परफेक्ट है. The weather is perfect. The weather is perfect. बाहर मौसम अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. The weather does not look good outside. The weather does not look good outside. ठंड के कारण जल्दी सो गए. We slept early because of the cold. We slept early because of the cold. बारिश ने सब कुछ रोक दिया. The rain stopped everything. The rain stopped everything.